How you doing? Fritz here. We're in Sacramento, California. We're doing these 15 by 15 whitewash tiles that were purchased from Jackson Tile back in like the early 80s. They're actually here in California. They're one of the only companies that ever sold these type of tiles pre-stained. Like I said, these particular ones have a whitewash. It's been 30 years. They've been pretty neglected. They're stripping them down. But the actual purpose of this video is something that I notice is a huge problem in the industry, and I want to bring it to your awareness. I want to keep you informed, and the information is, if you look right here, you can see they got these tiles from Jackson Tile about 10 years ago. So these ones are 30 years old. These are 10 years ago. All right, if you look, the grout's one color, the grout's a different color. And basically the purpose of this video, people, is keep track of where you bought your tile. Keep track of the color of the grout. Keep extra tiles. One day you may decide to add an extra room. You may want to take the linoleum out of your laundry room and fill it in full of tile. You may want to, I don't know, replace a few cracked ones. Keep the grout color, the name, the brand. Don't take it upon your contractor or the tile installer to do that for you. Do it yourself. Make sure you have these things. You want to try to keep them airtight, but most importantly of all, because the companies all stay the same, but it's a guessing game. So now you want us to come out and go, hey, I guess it's this color. Purpose of the video, people, keep track of the tile you bought, where you bought them, the grout, the type of grout, the company, the sealer, maybe the type of stain. I don't know, any information you can keep, and it's all for future stuff, people. Put it in your garage, put it on a shelf somewhere next to the old paint for the trim, the old wood stain, you know, the caulking for the sinks. Keep all that stuff together. Like I said, it's all long term. You may even think about it for 10 years, and one day you'll go out to the garage, you'll think about it, go out to the garage, and it'll be sitting there. Trust me, I'm doing you a solid right now. Keep all extra grout, keep the name of it, even if you don't actually physically keep it, keep a record of it. Stay informed, people. It's a problem in the industry. They're going to sell it to you. Some are going to install it. But nobody's going to tell you guys how to maintain it, how to clean it, how to keep the stuff that clean it, how to know how to maintain it. All the stuff that comes along with maintaining a floor, they're not going to do any of that. Why? They want you to buy new stuff. You see, that's the bigger picture in the industry here. They don't want you to restore it. They want you to get new stuff. So I'm going to keep you informed and tell you the right thing to do. On all new installations, keep the extra material, keep track of your stuff. Stay informed, people. Stay informed. Have a good day. I need to get some work done.